Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best outdoor remote plug is probably one of the most convenient gadgets you can add to your smart home setup. Imagine effortlessly controlling your outdoor lights, holiday decorations, or even your fountain, all from the comfort of your couch. This video will dive deep into the world of outdoor remote plugs, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to simplify your life and enhance your outdoor living experience. Number 5. DEWENWILS Light Sensor Timer with Remote Control. This timer offers various settings, including on-off, dusk to dawn, and timed options. You can easily set it to repeat daily, giving you complete control over your outdoor devices. It's a convenient way to manage your lights and other appliances. With the remote control, you can manage your decorations and appliances from inside your home. Avoid going out in the dark or bad weather to control your lights, pool pump, or fountain. It brings convenience to your fingertips. The remote control has a strong RF signal that can reach up to 100 feet. Doors, windows, and walls won't block the signal, so you can control devices even if they're not right next to you. This feature provides great flexibility. Made with PBT material, this timer is waterproof and built to last. It's compatible with most electrical appliances and has a 15 amp rating. This ensures it can handle various outdoor devices safely. Setting up this timer is simple, just plug it in and connect the included battery. No programming or extra tools are needed. It enhances your comfort, safety, and energy efficiency effortlessly. What we like. This remote plug has a built-in countdown timer and light sensor, allowing for automated control of your outdoor devices. It can automatically turn on at dusk and off after a set time. If you want to automate your outdoor lighting or decorations, this is a great choice. It offers convenience and energy efficiency, perfect for those who want a set it and forget it solution. What people say. Now I can set them to be on at dusk to dawn. Or have them on a timer. Or the very best thing is the remote control, so easy to use. Works as described for my outdoor lighting. Perfect for turning our string of outside light on at dusk and turn them off at dawn. The remote is great because our outside outlet is on the ceiling of the carport. Number 4. Fosmon WavePoint Wireless Remote Control Outlet. This wireless remote control outlet from Fosmon lets you control your lights and appliances with ease. It's perfect for seasonal lights and lamps, allowing you to turn them on or off remotely. Built for the outdoors, this outlet is weather-resistant and durable. It features a grounded 3-prong AC plug and a flexible cord for easy use. This versatile outlet can be used both indoors and outdoors. It's great for TVs, lighting, heaters, sprinkler systems, and more. The possibilities are endless. The Fosmon WavePoint outlet is ETL listed and FCC certified, ensuring its safety for use. It has a maximum capacity of 125 VAC, 60 HC, and 15A. Enjoy peace of mind with the limited lifetime warranty. You'll also have access to experienced and dedicated USA-based customer service. What we like. This product features dual outlets, allowing you to control 2 devices with a single remote. It's also weather-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor use. If you have multiple devices you want to control, like seasonal lights or lamps, this is perfect. It offers great flexibility and convenience for managing your outdoor electrical needs. What people say. The remote is responsive and works across the garage without any issues, which saves me a lot of trips back and forth. The plug is well built and weatherproof, so it can handle dust and occasional splashes. The range on the remote is very generous and works in any and all weather conditions. Number 3. Fosmon WavePoint Outdoor Electrical Outlet Switch. Introducing the Fosmon WavePoint. This handy device lets you control your outdoor lights with ease. You can turn them on or off from the comfort of your home. No more struggling with hard-to-reach switches. This remote control outlet makes it simple. It uses pair and unpair technology, giving you full control. Built to withstand the elements, this outlet is perfect for outdoor use. It's durable and weather-resistant, so it can handle whatever comes its way. Use it for various devices, from TVs to sprinkler systems. It's great for lighting, heaters, and even humidifiers. The possibilities are endless. Rest easy knowing your purchase is protected. This product comes with a limited lifetime warranty. It also includes a battery. What we like. This remote plug is designed for outdoor use and offers convenient control of your devices. It's weather resistant, ensuring durability in various conditions. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use remote control outlet for your outdoor lighting or other appliances, this is a great option. It provides simplicity and peace of mind. What people say. The remote is responsive and works across the garage without any issues, which saves me a lot of trips back and forth. The plug is well built and weatherproof, so it can handle dust and occasional splashes. The range on the remote is very generous and works in any and all weather conditions. Number 2. Fosmon Wireless Remote Control Outlet Kit. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This kit allows you to control 3 outlets individually with just one. You can easily turn them on or off with the remote or directly on the outlet itself. The remote boasts a 100-foot range, easily penetrating walls and furniture. Whether the outlets are in a hard-to-reach spot or outdoors, control is always at your fingertips. The compact remote fits in your pocket or on your keychain. This outlet is rugged and weatherproof, designed to withstand the elements. The durable construction resists sun, rain, wind, and dust. The thick power cord and strain relief plug are built to last. Each outlet supports 125V, 13A, and 1625W, and is UL certified for safety. It's perfect for lights, fans, heaters, holiday decorations, and more. This makes it a great choice for many electrical appliances. Join millions of satisfied customers with the peace of mind of a limited lifetime warranty. You'll also receive support from our experienced, USA-based customer service team. What we like. This remote plug allows you to control 3 independent outlets with a single remote. It also boasts a long 100-foot range, allowing for control from anywhere in your house. If you have multiple devices spread out in your yard or need to control them from a distance, this is the perfect solution. It offers great convenience and flexibility. What people say. The remote is responsive and works across the garage without any issues, which saves me a lot of trips back and forth. The plug is well built and weatherproof, so it can handle dust and occasional splashes. The range on the remote is very generous and works in any and all weather conditions. Number 1. HBN Wireless Remote Control Outlet. This kit comes with everything you need, including batteries. You can simply plug it in and start using it right away, or sync the outlets to fit your needs. This outdoor remote control outlet is built to withstand rain and other harsh weather conditions. Remember to place the plug at least 2 feet off the ground, with the plug facing down to prevent water damage. You can sync multiple outlets together, no matter the frequency differences. It's also easy to expand your system with other remote control outlet kits. Easily control your appliances with the remote or directly from the outlets. It works great with various devices, such as lights, air conditioners, and holiday decorations. The outlets will stay off after a power outage, saving energy and protecting your devices. It is rated for 125V, 15A, and operates in temperatures from -15 to +55 degrees Celsius. What we like. This remote plug is ready to use right out of the box, including the batteries for the remote. It's also weatherproof, designed to withstand the elements. If you are looking for a simple, reliable, and easy to set up remote control outlet for your outdoor needs, this is a great choice. It offers convenience and peace of mind. What people say. The remote has great range and makes turning the lights on and off so simple. Self-explanatory installation and use. Simple on-off functionality is completely suitable for my needs. I bought one of these 10 or 12 years ago for my Edison string lights in the backyard. The little remote made it very convenient for instant light back there. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.